Hello, little learners. Today we're diving into the magical world of A and An. Are you ready? Let's go. Ding! Here's A. We use A before words that start with a consonant sound. Like a cat. See the cute cat? Meow. And a dog. Woof. Now let's look at An. We use An before words that start with a vowel sound. Like an apple. Crunch. Yum. Or an elephant. Clap. Big elephant. A and An are very special. They help us talk about one thing, just one. A is for consonants, B, C, D, F, and so on. Ding, a car, a tree. Simple, right? Now for vowels. Ding, A, E, I, O, U. Use an ice cream, and orange. Easy peasy. Ding, remember, sound is key. Sometimes words trick us. Like an hour, H is silent. Sounds like a vowel. Crazy, right? But fun. Let's try again. Repeat after me. A ball, a book. Ding, an igloo, an umbrella. Fantastic. Now it's challenge time. Can you say 2 words with A? What about 2 words with An? Take your time. We believe in you. Are you ready to become a hero? Give it a try. Got your words? Great job. You've earned plus 10 hero points. Clap. Remember, practice makes perfect. Look around you, find objects. Ask yourself, is it A or An? Keep practicing, little heroes. You're doing awesome. Meow. Clap. Ding. We'll see you next time for more fun and learning. Goodbye for now.